Cyfannau dyfrgwn o'n gwmpas. Afon yn troelli yn yr haul. Rydym yn mwynhau y llwybr. Rydym yn siŵr o gael hwyl. Os gwelwch y llwybr, ewch am dro. Gwelwch y llwybr.
Trees. Rapid waving in the wind, ears turned on for the sound of the birds, electric shock to communicate.
Cerrig ymyl yr afon, adar bach yn hedfan, rasio a cerdded rhaid gwisgo welis o gwmpas y cae fe gewch gerdded ar y llwybr.
Carrog Farm. Cool, awesome, remarkable, rocky, otters, good scenery, fun, a nice walk, really calm and muddy.
I think people should know that the Carrog Trail is nice to go for a walk. Whatever the weather, it's fun. If you're in a bad mood, look around and listen to the sounds. It makes you feel better.
Cerrig yw taflu afon yn arafu, rhedwch trwy'r caeau, rhaid cadw eich cwn ar denyn, ofnadwy o hwyl, gwnewch siŵr I ddod â bwyd.
From taking part in the project, I have encouraged my mum to go for a walk with me to the Carrog Trail.
Dal pob lliw, colchar yn brown, dewch lawr I Carrog I cael chydig o hwyl. Yn sgimio cerrig, neidio yn y pyllau mwdlyd, digon o natur I weld.
People would be interested in how beautiful it is at Carrog and how you can tell the difference in the seasons.
Autumn is brown, shining, dancing, flying. Leaves are falling on the ground.
Fel athrawes, mae wedi bod yn wych cael Vicky yn arwain y prosiect yma a cydweithio hefo'r ymddiriedolaeth genedlaethol, arlunwyr a chrefftwyr lleol tu fewn i'r dosbarth a tu allan hefyd.
Carrog. Afon anhygoel. Robin goch yn hedfan. Rasio'r afon. Olion dyfrgu. Gorau erioed.
We need to encourage more locals to come to the Carrog Trail because there's lots of space to play, plenty of good views, and it's a good place to relax.
The clocks turn to night, and the night is longer too. Now it is autumn. Owls are deep sleeping, the sky is blue and freezing, hedgehogs snoozing now. Climbing trees up high, squirrels collecting ripe nuts and birds playing songs. Orange, yellow, green, red and brown, swirling downwards. Now the trees are bare.
Working on the Carrog Trail project has been a really positive experience for the whole class. It's allowed the pupils to be involved in a real-life project, giving them the opportunity to work in an outdoor environment which has massive potential for learning.
I've enjoyed learning about what the National Trust have been doing to the river, slowing it down so there won't be as much flooding.